Here's a great deal on a 2013 Tesla Model S. This four-door sedan has just over 80,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and more. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.